Boy, a lot of communities trying to rally also after all the weather we had yesterday.
Picking up the trees,
Wow.
and I saw the car damage, and so many of the trees weren't just affected by the storm winds yesterday. It was really a culmination of a very busy season, so a lot of those roots were already very loosened up over the course of the last couple of weeks. So it really didn't take much to down the trees, the power lines. Now so many are cleaning up. I will say this, at least the weather is calm now, and in fact we don't have any severe weather on the horizon, at least for the foreseeable future. We may have a couple of bumps in the road, but the nice thing is that things are looking really calm and quiet tonight. A live look at the radar shows hardly anything showing up. In fact, even the cloud cover. We began this afternoon around 3-4 o'clock with a cloudy sky over Philadelphia. Now all of that is pushing off toward the Jersey Shore. Clear skies are in, and it does look like the humidity levels are going to stay nice and in check. 83 degrees right now, humidity 38%. What you need to look at is the dew point. 55. The closer the dew point is to the temperature, the more humid it feels. That means the air is holding a little bit more water. Dew point 55, air temperature 83. It feels really good out there. The general rule is that anytime the dew point is below 60, you know it's going to be nice and comfortable. 78 degrees in Doylestown. Wildwood coming in at around 80 degrees. Pair of 7s over toward Trenton, 75 in Allentown. So overnight, we're going to be looking at clear skies and a little bit of a west breeze. Just a little bit of that pickup in the wind is actually going to allow us to not have to worry about fog in the morning. In order to have fog, you need the clear skies, the wet ground, which we still do have, and of course the light winds. Not going to see that. Sunny to wake up. You need the sunglasses on, sun visors down, as I always like to say. Lunchtime outside, not bad at all. If you're headed to the shore tomorrow, yeah, we might have a sprinkle late in the day, but most of us will remain mostly sunny. It's going to be Wednesday night into Thursday. You'll notice the change. The winds back up from the south and southwest. We start to feel a little bit more muggy, and then the showers return as we head into your Thursday. So take a look. As we get into your Thursday afternoon, showers and maybe a couple of thunderstorms rolling through. These will last through about 5 o'clock in the city across the Jersey Shore between 7 and 9. But the good news is that as we continue to look at all the fresh information, sure, we might have rumbles of thunder Thursday, but most, if not all, of what moves through will be mainly non-severe. The ingredients are not there at all. So the impacts, yeah, I think we have a moderate chance at least of some heavy rain, but for damaging winds, for large hail, and for tornadoes, a very low chance, if any, of any of those. We'll always keep a watch for you, but in the meantime, we're going to enjoy some nice weather until we get to Thursday. 67 tonight, 87 tomorrow. Tomorrow's my pick of the week. It's an absolutely gorgeous day. 7-day plan shows Thursday, not so much. But again, we'll watch for any strong storms to move through. Most of them will be non-severe. Friday looks good. The weekend looks nice. It's more humid. It's partly cloudy. Could see a stray shower overnight Saturday into Sunday. Temperatures near 90 degrees.